Greetings. My name is Dr. Jilani. I would like to welcome you to this program on management for the new managers. And congratulations for becoming a manager, or even looking forward to become one. You know, moving from staff into management for the first time is quite exciting, but it can also be scary and create a lot of anxiety, especially if you are not prepared. And if you don't know what management is all about, what managers do, and how do they manage. Most importantly, how to make the transition from a worker to a manager. Before your promotion, you had certain tasks to accomplish and you knew that you had the skills to do them. You still have those responsibilities for those tasks, but now you have to see that the work is done effectively by other people. Your former peers, friends, those older than you, and that's a whole new task in itself. You are anxious and you are not sure you are up to the job. You also find it's hard to concentrate on the planning that is such an important part of managing because emergencies, large and small, seem to arise all the time and people keep running to you to resolve them. But then there is so much you don't know. Somehow managing looks so easy from the outside. But now you actually have to do it. You realize it is more complicated than you thought. Don't worry, you are not the only one. Many new managers find their role a bit daunting. Although you may initially feel hesitant, keeping in mind that your boss promoted you because he or she has confidence in your abilities. Chances are that you have good management instincts, or you wouldn't have been promoted in the first place. This basic management training program is designed keeping in view the needs of new managers, first-line managers, business owners, self-employed persons, and even students studying management who want to have a quick start and want to acquire fundamental knowledge and skills on general management. Middle managers and those looking for a quick refresher can also benefit from this. You don't need any formal knowledge for this program. This course is probably not for you if you are looking to learn advanced management concepts in a particular discipline. For example, financial management, marketing management, project management, human resource management, or any other specialized management subject. This is a basic management program, and by the end of this program, you will have the understanding of what management is and how managers manage. You will also be able to make a smooth transition from a worker to a manager. You will know how to deal with information overload, how to make rational decisions, why innovation and change matters. You will also be able to analyze yourself as to where do you stand and what skills are required to become a good and successful manager. I look forward to your participation in this program and wish you a healthy, wealthy, successful, and prosperous future. Thanks. See you in the program.